If you go down this way next to the library, once again the old and the new. You look at this hotel here, very well preserved, and then you got the library and the council building next to it, and the new-ish mall next to it with all the new shops, restaurants. And then we arrived at the Ipswich railway station. So the trains are going from here to Brisbane and also out to the country, some of them like Rosewood, little towns. So I'm trying to see if we can get to the biggest church in the city, called the St. Mary's, and the nicest church in the city. It is a Catholic church. Nice roundabout there, full of flowers. And these are jacaranda trees, the ones what turns into purple. That's spring time. And this all the way down there, looks all purple. So now we try to cross the road and see if I can go to the church. So there is the river, what we just seen before, and the water, when it is flooding, it is all the way up here. We have this river heart parklands, and the biggest church in town, the St. Mary's Catholic Church of Ipswich. There is a private school attached to it as well. Not a very big one, but it is a school. This is a nice, probably the nicest building in town. Let's see if we can have a quick look inside that church. I don't really like to film in church because sometimes they just tell you to go away, or sometimes they tell you not to. But let's try our luck. So it is actually reminding me some of the cathedrals in Europe. It is built in those old style, but it's still a modern building, like considering how old normally the churches are. You know, hundreds and hundreds of years old. This one is built in probably around the 1800s. And another little piece of information, the hitching rings, these ones here, were used when people came here to church on horseback back in the 1800s, and that's where they tied their horse. So that's the private primary school from year 1 to year 6, I believe. It's nice, well maintained, St. Mary's. And now I'm actually going down on memory lane because when I first came to Australia, I lived here in Ipswich for about a year, and I will show you the house where I used to live. So I'm not sure if it's the same owners. But there it is, pretty much around there. It used to be divided into 2 flats. It's not far from the church. That's where I came first year in Australia. So this is the house. It looks like they call the Queenslander because I guess they only found in here. It's like they are wooden buildings, and yeah, but they serve the purpose. It's purpose built. You know, considering taking into account the weather. In here, it's always hot. So that's the street where I first landed almost 40 years ago. So guys, I hope you enjoy this little tour of Ipswich City in Australia, and I will continue now. I'm going back to the town centre, and I'm going to find a drink, I guess, and because it is already like 32, 33 degrees, and I'm getting a bit dehydrated, and also there is more to see in this little town. We are going over the train lines, but from here you can see those graffiti similar to what we've seen in Katoomba. Like they have this in Australia to decorate the buildings. So there's the train. It will go to Brisbane or one of the smaller towns. Interestingly enough, some of the pubs and bars are now closed. As far as I remember, you know, like 35, 40 years ago. So I had to walk all the way back here because the one where I wanted to go to have a drink finally is closed, and then the one after that further down a little bit is closed. So now we are going to find somewhere a nice and cold beer. This will do, I guess. And an old pub. They should have some nice and cold beer. So after a nice and cold beer, we are heading one more place. I'm going to show you guys the largest park in the city. So it's a little bit of walk, but it's not too bad. Now it's about 32 degrees, so after a cold beer should be okay to walk about 1.5 kilometers. Go to the grass here. There are free barbecues you can use when you come out here and enjoy weekend or something, or any event with the family. Seating areas in the shade and very large green grass for the kids to play around. So let's go and see if we can find any native animals. Free entry. Okay, let's go. Uluru eyes ook. It's like made of mud or something. Biggerby. Oh, it's dark in here. And then I'll see what we can see. It's a little biggerby. There's another kangaroo. G'day mate. Wanna come up here? Don't be lazy. Come on. Okay, so this is a nice little park, and considering it is free to enter, it's quite okay. But it used to be more animals here. But anyway, so now the next mission is find lunch. And I have something in my mind, and see if I can find a place easily. It's all walk, so I'm getting a bit tired, I'm getting hungry. So now it's time to really eat and find some more things. All of this street art or graffiti. This is a kind of a bit more modern. Let's go inside. Hello. Yeah, come on, hi. Hello. Alright, after some lunch, if you have a menu and...
Oh, you just at the front door, give me 2 secs to run and grab you.
So I had a menu there, alright, yep.
There we go mate, there's a food and drinks menu as well.
Yeah, I definitely get a pint if I can.
Oh mate, we got a fair bit of a selection, so... What do you normally drink?
I don't know, lager I guess. Yeah, this is all yours, is it?
Everything on tap, apart from the cider or made in here.
I don't want cider, lager or?
You get mid-strength or full strength?
I get full strength.
This will be our house lager, the Sunshine.
Okay.
So crisp, a little bit citrusy with a little bit of rice in the back end. So very nice and sessionable.
Okay, yeah.
I've also got something a bit more classic, which is just export lager, which would almost be like a mid-strength Heineken. An easy way to put that.
No, the other one. The other one.
For that one, sir?
And I get like a burgers or something.
Where are we? If you flip that one over. I do think I've got a... We're still doing that palmy and pint special? Yeah, I believe we got a special. I think it's $30 and you get a palmy and a pint of beer.
No, I just probably want maybe a pizza or burger or something.
If not, carnivore pizza is like a really, really nice meat lovely. Or the pumpy burger, you can't go wrong.
Is someone supposed to take it up for me?
So?
Someone's supposed to take it up?
Yeah, I get the burger, the pumpy burger, please.
Pumpy burger?
Yeah.
No worries, and a pint of Sunshine, sir.
Yep.
Sitting inside or outside?
Inside, I guess, in the aircon. Thanks so much.
Come and enjoy it.
Oh, the burger. Beer. Guys, so good burger, Very nice beer. Actually, this is a brewery. They brew their own beer, so there's quite a few choices. I always tend to choose a lager beer. This is the end of this Ipswich tour, and please guys, give it a thumbs up if you like it, and please remember to subscribe to my channel. Let it go. It's almost 1,100 subscribers, so thank you for watching once again, and see you in the next one.